Let me tell you a secret. It's not about money. This system is not about money. It's about soul trap, trapping your soul for you not to ascend. Even if you die, you don't go anywhere. You don't revert back to your father. You know what? This system, you see it as it is fueled by money, but the thing is, this system is fueled by scarcity. Scarcity is at the center, and then money was used to measure the scarcity. That is why there is the law of economics. You see, if the supply goes high, or if the supply increases, what happens to the price? The price drops. But if the supply decreases, what happens to the price? The price goes high. So it should land. If the supply increases, should scarcity siyancipha, and then the price yancipha. The thing is about scarcity. If it's about money, then why these people don't print much money and then have all the money? Why they want us to chase money? They want us to go to work. They want us to do this and that. They want to profit in our own expense. Why they don't print money and leave us alone? So it means it's not about money. It's about your soul. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka nje phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Makusenjena nje usatripiwe vele ubeka umoya phansi ungatatazeli uyabona. Uyazi bangakanani abantu abafa benga ascendile, and where do you think those people go? Those people, they just reincarnate. Those people. Why? In their soul, in their mind, there was money. In their mind, there was money. You know, Uti, how miserable people are because of it. It's not about it. It's about your soul. Trapping your soul. That's it. You know, Uti, people, they don't become happy. They are not happy at all if they don't have money. And they can do a lot. What does this tell you about the emotional state and the state, the mental state of people? And yet you know what the heaven is, the state of being, your mental state. Do you think if they die, they where do they exist? They go to heaven. They vibrate higher. No, they are dense. And then bezela. And you ask now what amafumeyazi are heavier lapha, and then drop water will drop, water vapor condenses to form water. It's not about money. Umbuzo wami uthi, if it's about money, they want to make more and more and more and more. Yes, they are greedy. They can do that. They can make money. They can do whatever they like. Now it's not about money. They have all the money. They can buy anything. They can buy anything. They have it. Just that they are using it to control people. To trap the soul. There's a chunk of it. And then they give the portion of it to people. And then this little portion is distributed among people in the name debt. Debt. You know what, all this money that is circulating, this liquid money that is available here, if each one of you can pay back all your debts, the system will collapse. Any cent that you have is a debt to someone else. It just like that. Debts. Ngeke uze kusale ngisho even a single cent if everyone engakhokha, wonke umuntu akhokhe back ikweletu. Ngeke ngobani? Le mali yaprintwa egameni elithi debt, ayikho imali ekhona that is available. Every man that is there circulating in the name of debt. You see? So why would they do this now? To trap the soul. They presented the scarcity. Buku ukuthi eyikamdala izinto zikhona in abundance eyikamdala izinto. Bona, this system is driven by scarcity, yes? Obona ngicela ubuka ama pixel ephone. Yabona ama pixels ephone, ngami ngafika isimanga lapha. they decrease the pixels and then they increase the price. Yabona ngake ngayothenga ifoni esikhathini esithile nje sedlule. Ngayithenga le phone inama pixels amaningi kangaka ngaphambili, inama pixels amaningi kangaka ngemuva. Lo phone angazi kwenzekalani kuyona ngoba ngangisashaya ngaleso sikhathi. Uma sengibuya ngiyithenga lo phone, hawu. Le phone same phone. Ama pixels asehlile manje. Kodwa iprice isinyukile. Scarcity. Yes, scarcity. Look. Bekumele ngabe ibiza kabi le phone ekuthiwa iPhone. Lekuthiwa iPhone. Bekumele ngabe ibiza kabi. Oh, ivele iyabiza ke. Kodwa bekumele ngabe ispace sakhona nje, capacity. Ngizwa kuthiwa kubuye kuthengwe ispace lapha ngaphezulu ka 40,000 okhishwa 50. Phinde kuthengwe ispace futhi. Scarcity. Scarcity. Do you think this thing of load shedding is a misfortune or something that is legit? Scarcity. Created scarcity. That's what runs this system. That's what runs this system. Money is enough for all of us. But if all of us can have it, then there's no longer scarcity. Then we are free. We are not trapped anymore. Muhazobe nemali yonke nje khona emhlabeni wona ngithi you think you can be happy, you can love it up, you can blang. Angithi you think you can like vibrate higher if you can have money, not even a billion, just a $500,000 inyana. Yabo, even 100,000 inyana can do, or 150 inyana can do. Not to mention but they have trillions, billions, whatever they have. So why will they do all the horrible things, giving us this food that is damaging our DNA, destabilizing us? Why would they do all these things? Scarcity. Scarcity is at the center. Khona wena uma ufuna ukubypassa lesi scarcity, ngoba phela abantu abaningi bafuna ukusibypassa. Uma wena ufuna ukusibypassa lesi scarcity, kumele ukuthi isystem isebenze ngokuthini? Kumele ube khona iphoyisa. Yes, kumele ube khona iphoyisa khona uzokubopha. Ngofuna ukubypassa igame wena by fire by force. Ubuka nemithetho yayo imali ukuthi kanjani. Ngoliwe la. Umthetho around imali awubavuni lapha. Abangathatha entweni. Bese ithini ithi bafundisa ukugqila laba wena. Bafundisa ukugqila laba. Fundisa ukugqila laba wena khona soba trapper kanje. La. Yes. Angithi abantu bayajaha kodwa bayithola into abayijahayo. Bayahupa kodwa bayithola into abayihupayo. Ngobani? Ayi iscarce yenziwe yascarce vele. Manje bona baningi bahupa into encane ekwenziwe igame yescarce, it's trapping the soul. Abanye bafa bedutshulwa amaphoyisa bethi bazama yona ini impilo. Abanye befe benza into eningi horrible. They are trying to bypass yabo lento yescarcity. Bese kuthiwa thisha bafundisa wena thisha. Bafundise lento esifuna bafundise hayi spiritual liberation. Bafundisa ukuthi bebhawe la kithi khona nabo futhi soba trapper kanje. Bafundisa wena thisha. Uthisha iphoyisa. Bobabili labo bantu babalekile kwisystem. Thisha nephoyisa babalekile. Alizwayo nje manje muzobe uthisha ozohamba ukukhuluma indaba zo spiritual abundance and liberation lapha ya ulengele emaweni. Yabo uma ngabe ukuthi le nto kuyabhekufaya ulengele emaweni. Ngoba kufuneka ukukhulume wena into ezo liberate ispirit. Ngoba ni inhloso ukustrap ispirit is not about money. It's about soul trap. Abantu bakhathazekile, abantu bagqilazekile ngenxa lento ekuthiwa imali. Iscarcity. Imali izomeja iscarcity. Kumele izinto zibe scarce. It's not about money. Ukuthi mawufa ungayi indawo. Ungabuyeli la uvela khona. Ngoba mawufe vele ukhala ngemali, ukhala uthi azenzekile izinto. We are not going anywhere. Ayizwa loo nto?